welcome to my channel. Ito si Habruhi.
Aburo!
Hindi, Habru. Bakit may kasama O? Okay guys, dito tayo laruin. Okay guys, ito na tayo. Ito na, Huro atusan ng mama ko. Okay, Sasabog ba to? Hindi. Bago ako dito sa game. Let me play. Wow! Yeah! Use, give it. That's it, I'm gonna hit you. I will hit you, unggoy. Kala mo I want to... Bro, this is like Dandy word. No, that's kinda look like a Dandy word. Oh, jeez, I am not. I will kill the monkey. That's kinda from Toy Story. Say bye-bye.
Wait, where's the monster?
Ay, sad ka, lollipop. Okay guys, we might get jump scared. Lang bukas. Okay, let's go. Trade cheese. Oh, thank you. I like the lollipop. Shing. Ulo. Let's go. I have an extra elevate. Let's go.
No, I don't think.
Bro, there's like a knockout Danish word.
Wait.
Okay, guys. Oh, what the heck? Can you elevate me? I slide. Today, me and Tyler is snowy. What the heck?
What are you doing?
Oh, you can break things. Oh, I'm gonna hit this.
Wait, coin.
Okay, stop! Spike Crusher!
Where's the monster?
Yay, my eyes are back.
Where's the monster?
I don't know. He just left for the mill.
Maybe it's glitching.
It's not glitching. Fun fact. This is like a knockoff Danish word thing. Yeah, I know. Ooh!
I flip. Seriously?
What happened? You dare to... I'm gonna hit you. Oh, let me hit this. Whoa. Right now. I am the lollipop. Not gonna die. Does look like exactly like Lolly sing. Okay, guys.
I can hit the...
I'm so lucky. I'm gonna hit some lollipop. I hope there's no blue because... Oh, there's a blue! What the heck? Lolly sing, what happened to you, my boy? Lolly sing, wake up, boy.
Very bad.
Let's sneaky. Shing! Shing!
Give me coin.
Get up!
Where are you, Kuya Gaga?
Oh, balloon. Oh, what's this?